Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the James Charles and Morphe palette. This is bigger than my head. Look at that shit. This is bigger than my head. But if you'd like to see how I achieve this look with this palette and what I think about it, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the James Charles and Morphe palette. I'm so late. I know, I'm so sorry. I'm like 2 weeks or a week behind. I got this like, I don't remember when I got it, but I got it a week or two ago. The reason why, I'll explain as to why I have been kind of MIA a little, somewhat, not really, but I've been MIA on YouTube. Yeah, I'll explain while I'm doing, reviewing it. So I did my face and everything off camera because I just wanted to focus on the palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It's pretty big. Oh shit, I can't open it. It's pretty big. I like the front because it's like I'm not explaining it, but it's different. And it's pretty big. It's as big as the I think it's as big as the Dare to Create palette. This is the Dare to Create palette, so I'm pretty sure they're the same size. Yeah, they are. So they're the same size. This is what it looks like when you open it. I like this little thing. This is Unleash Your Inner Artist. I'm gonna go ahead and do a look. I don't know what yet, but we're gonna go with it, go with the flow. And we have canvas, ring light, so good, 518, rusted Halloween, wig, tea, punch me sister, Mary, literally, you're kidding, shook, boutique, Benny, flashback, face, tune, code James, 10%, no beans, spooky, B, guac, hello, playground, brother, artistry, love that, kinkity drinkity, social blade, daddy, I got so stupid. Cape Code. I think that's what it says. Cape Code. Some shit like that. Cape Code. Cola. A Capella. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Escape, single, and skip. So we're gonna take. Shit. What color am I gonna take? We're gonna take 518, and I'm going in with my Wet n Wild brush. It has somewhat fallout, but that's okay. For those of you that don't like fallout, it does have somewhat fallout. If you guys can even see, it has somewhat fallout. I'm not even gonna say that or a lot, but it has somewhat fallout. But it doesn't bother me. So if it bothers you, then yeah. It doesn't bother me, so I don't care. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the crease. So the reason why I was MIA was because this month has really been trying me. It's like these last months of this year are just honestly probably my worst months, I would say, of the year. 2 weeks ago on Friday, I received news that my uncle passed away. At first, it didn't hit me. I was all like I was like, oh, like I was kind of in shock, I guess you could say. Like it didn't hit me. But once my sister sent me the article about what actually happened and everything, it just I don't know, out of nowhere, it just it felt like a train hit me, because it was a lot to take in. Like the story itself was just like something like damn, I don't know how to explain it. So the way my uncle passed away was because he was on his way to work, and This story makes me so mad. He was on his way to work, and a guy was getting chased by the police, and he decided to go in a car with his friend, I guess, and it was like 3 of them. It was 2 guys and a girl. The guy that was driving they were obviously, you know, trying to run away from the police, and my uncle was walking to work, and they lost control of the car and they ran over my uncle. From what I was told, he broke his neck and both legs. Wait, pause on that story. So far, the orange is really, really good. I like it. It's like, you know, like it's really pigmented. So, by the way, I used concealer on my lids. I didn't use that paint pot, I think it was called, or I don't know what James said that would be better to use, but I didn't use that. I just used concealer. So I think it's working perfectly fine with concealer. Anyways, back to the story. It really hit me because literally all my uncle was trying to do is just go to work. That's literally all he was trying to do. And he ended up passing away. So when I read it, I was like it was like I don't know how to explain it, but it was just something that happened on stuff like this happens out of nowhere, you know. And ever since my grandpa passed away, I have been really, really sensitive to the topic about death, that even if I don't know the person, it's still like you know, like I don't know how to explain, like I still like feel other people's pain, I guess you could say. Like it's a sensitive topic to me, so I tear up to the topic. Thinking about it makes me want to cry, honestly. It's just something that's really like, you know, it's something that's, I don't know how to explain it. God, I can't explain it. I don't know how to explain it. Like it's just something that makes me want to cry. So now I'm gonna go in with this red shade right here, and it's called You're Kidding. And I'm taking my Morphe M441. So that's kind of why I was MIA. I didn't really talk during the process of me blending out the red, but it was really pigmented and really easy to blend out, so I really like the red shade. Alright, so now I'm going with the shade Escape. So I didn't talk a lot either when I was blending out the purple. Sorry guys, but overall I really like the purple. The purple shade was really easy to blend out. Some purples aren't that easy to blend out, but this purple was really easy to blend out, and it was really pigmented. The color Skip. Alright, so the pink shade is like really, really pigmented. I put my eyelash on this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. Honestly, the palette is really good. It's really pigmented. The colors are really vibrant, meaning that they're like really, they're really bright and whatnot. I really like the pink shade. The pink shade is really pretty. With that being said, I really like this palette. Shit, I almost dropped it. I like how it has multiple colors. So you have your rainbow colors, and then you can have some neutral colors, meaning that you can do literally so many looks with this palette. I really like this palette. I saw that he was gonna release it, and like when he showed the colors, I was like, damn, like this is the type of palette that I would want. I feel like every brand to have. I feel like there's some brands that just use too many warm shades, like too many like natural shades, and they don't go out of their comfort zone to like colorful shades. So this palette is really, really good. It's honestly cheap for the amount of shades that it comes with. I think it's worth the money. It's big. I like the size of it. I like this size, like this size palette compared to like the normal size, which is like this. It's like, you know, pretty big. I like it. I don't know. I just like big things, if you know what I mean. I'm just kidding. But I like how it's big, you know. I don't know why. I just feel like there's obviously more product compared to, well, in the middle shades, there's obviously more product compared to these. Oh shit, these. I think the little small ones are like the same size. They look about the same size. Yeah, but I still think this is a really good palette. They're about the same size, but you still get, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big ones. How the fuck did I get 7 and for here I got 8? Oh, actually, you know what? Actually, what the fuck? Hold on. 1, 2. Now I got 2, 4, 2, 4. Oh my god. 8, 16, 20, 24, 28, 9. Okay, there are 39 shadows in this. I don't know why the fuck. How do you know what? Your girl can't fucking do math. I'm 40. I don't know how I got 40. It's because I did 5 times 8 and 5 times 8 is 40. So yeah. So there's 39. My bad. Not 40. Ignore me saying 40 in the beginning. But yeah. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I am gonna take a little break, kind of a little break, not really, but a little break from doing makeup tutorials. I want to do vlogmas. I think it's called vlogmas, Christmas. I think it's vlogmas, cause Christmas, vlogmas. Yeah, right. Anyways, I want to do that. I'm probably gonna do like, you know, like cramp in, like, you know, I'm gonna probably do like several days, like instead of vlog, just so I won't have to vlog every day and post one every day, because I feel like that's just gonna be boring. So I'm gonna do a whole week together in one video. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to Tennessee, so I'm gonna vlog that too. And I'm getting a new camera, guys. Hopefully I'm getting it tomorrow, but I don't know because I haven't got any update of whether it's shipped or not. I don't know. I'm gonna go to Tennessee, so I'm gonna vlog that. I'm gonna be freezing my ass off because I've lived in Florida for all my 19 years of life and I have not seen snow, and I can't stand weather that's below 70 degrees. So hopefully I don't die or get sick. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.